Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Go language 1.20, Golang 1.20 or Go programming language 1.20 on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. Currently, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.7 DVD ISO file contains Golang 1.18 only. So I am going to install the higher version of the Golang. So Golang 1.20 is higher version, which is not available in the DVD. So I have downloaded manually from the internet as a tar.gzip file. So this is the binary Go 1.20 tar.gzip file for Linux. So I am going to extract the content. So content of this zip file. Let me extract to /opt directory. Let me extract to /opt directory. Yes. So you can see Go is extracted, and I am renaming the directory to Go 1.20 for my convenience. So I may install multiple versions of Go parallelly. So this is the directory structure of Go 1.20, and bin directory contains some executables. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to add the Go 1.20 bin directory to the bash profile of the current user. Okay, so what I am doing, I am appending the Go 1.20 bin directory to the Linux path variable, so that Go 1.20 will be available in command line or terminal for the current user. Okay, source bash profile. So this command will load the latest profile changes. No need to reboot or log off. Go version, that's it. So now you can see that I can able to execute Go 1.20 command. Let me run the sample program. So go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to execute the sample program. So this is the sample program which prints the hello world. Okay, so Golang 1.20 is successfully installed for a single user, that is for current user it was successfully installed. But what is going to happen here, see here, let me show you one thing. In my machine 2 users are there. Okay, only Oracle can execute Golang 1.20 as of now, because Golang is configured for the current user only. Okay, so user Ramanathan cannot execute the Golang 1.20 programs. So what I am doing, I am deleting the profile settings for the Oracle user. Now I am going to configure the profile settings globally, so that Golang 1.20 will be available to the all the users in the machine. Okay, cd switch as a root user in terminal, cd/atc/profile.d. So here you can see multiple shell scripts are there. I am going to create one shell script using enumerator. So here what I am going to do, I am going to add the Golang 1.20 bin directory to the Linux path variable. Okay, so note down the syntax. So this settings will be available globally to the all the users. Okay, Golang data set. Let me show you once again. Okay, Go iPhone 1.20 spelling mistake is there. So make sure that you don't make any spelling mistake. Otherwise, Golang will not be available. Okay, so small typo error also will make you things go bad. Okay, so now what I am do, I have logged off a user called Oracle. Now I am logging as a user called Ramanathan. Now let us see what is going to happen. Okay, let me open the terminal. Go version. Yes, I can able to see the Go version 1.20. So now let me execute the sample program. Go run welcome.go. Yes, I can able to execute the sample program as another user also. Okay. Now finally I confirm that Golang 1.20 that is Go programming language 1.20 is available to all the users in this mission. Okay, let me confirm finally for the Oracle user also once again. Yes, so Golang 1.20 installation is successful on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system.